Welcome to this tutorial on how to add new fonts to Google Docs and change your default font settings. Let's start with how to add new fonts to Google Docs. First, open a Google Doc and click on the Font button in the text editing toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu containing all of your Google fonts. Next, click the More Fonts button, which looks like a capital A with a plus sign in front of it. You'll see a list of available fonts, and you can click on the ones you want to add. They will turn blue with a check mark next to them, and they will be added to your My Fonts list on the right-hand side. When you've selected all the fonts you want, click the blue OK button at the bottom, and the Fonts window will close. Your newly added fonts will now appear in the drop-down menu when you click Fonts. Now, let's talk about changing your default font in Google Docs. If you don't want to start every new Google Doc in Arial, then you can change your default font to whatever you want. First, open a Google Doc on your computer and ensure the paragraph style is set to normal text. You will see that the default font in Google Docs is Arial, and the default font size is 11. Change the font and font size to whatever you wish to make the default. For example, you can change the default font to Times New Roman and the default font size to 12. You can also change your alignment and line and paragraph spacing. With your desired font settings, type out a block of text and then highlight it. Next, click the Styles drop-down menu located to the left of Fonts. Hover your mouse over normal text, and then, from the extended menu, click Update Normal Text to Match. Finally, click the Styles drop-down again, then hover your mouse over Options. From the extended menu, click Save as My Default Styles to finish. Now, every time you start a new document, your default font settings will be what you set. If you need to reset your styles, click the Styles drop-down, then go to Options. From the extended menu, click Reset Styles. If you're using the Google Docs mobile app, unfortunately, you cannot change the default font. However, if you need to change your default font settings, you can use the Google Docs website in desktop mode. To activate desktop mode in the Google Chrome mobile browser, press the three dots button in the top right corner. From the following drop-down menu, tap the tab that says Desktop Site. And that's it. Thank you for watching.